Hello, my name is Beaumont Boyd, Refrigeration Learning Manager for GE Appliances. We have some incredible innovations coming out of our Manufacturing Center of Excellence in Louisville, Kentucky, and today I'm here to tell you about one. Our French door refrigerators are full of ingenious ideas that are perfectly in sync with today's daily routines. I'd like to introduce to you our GE Profile Series French door with hands-free autofill, available in both stainless steel and our versatile slate finish. Hands-free autofill is an example of multitasking at its finest. Today, people are busier than ever before and appreciate things that help them effortlessly manage their day. Now, let's see how it works. Just place any container on the dispenser tray, press the autofill button, and walk away. Our hands-free autofill uses ultrasonic technology to detect the size of your glass, pot, pan, or any other item that you can fill up with water, and fill your glass up to 90% full every single time. Hands-free autofill is taking multitasking and convenience to the next level. In tandem with hands-free autofill, our advanced water filtration removes 98% of trace pharmaceuticals from water and ice and can lead to better quality water that can enhance your beverages and meal preparations. Now that we've told you about this incredible advanced dispenser, let's take a look inside. With options like a quick space shelf, gallon door bins, a drop-down shelf, and adjustable shelving, you can organize your way. Also, check out the full-width electronic temperature-controlled deli drawer with LED lighting. There are 3 accurate settings to deliver the optimal temperature for your favorite foods, while colored lights indicate the chosen setting. Twin chill evaporators keep fresh and frozen foods at their very best. The fresh food and freezer sections are calibrated to give different ingredients the perfect environment to keep foods fresh longer. 2 separate climates in the fresh food and freezer section help prevent odor transfer and freezer burn so food is fresh and lasts longer. Also, a generous amount of ice for entertaining or maximizing freezer storage can also be on a consumer's wish list. With the new IM5D additional ice maker option, consumers get the option of adding more ice production or having more storage flexibility. Made in America, this Energy Star GE Profile Series French door with hands-free autofill is loaded with innovation that will simplify daily life at home. Its beautiful design perfectly complements all of our GE Profile Series products and is designed to reflect the modern approach to style. Hands-free autofill is just another example of GE Appliances bringing you the most advanced refrigerator dispensers in the appliance industry.
Cooks have finally found what they're looking for with the all-inspiring organization of the first ever 5-door refrigerator. Experience the luxury of 2 soft, self-closing drawers. The left temperature control drawer features 5 temperature presets for meats, cheeses, drinks, greens, thawing, and marinating. That means you have a customized environment for how you cook. Inside the right produce drawer, you'll find a produce preserver, which helps extend the life of commonly purchased fruits and vegetables. This keeps them fresh and right at your fingertips. This refrigerator also cares for your ingredients with the Preserva Food Care System. 2 independent cooling systems provide a dedicated refrigeration unit to help keep food fresher longer, and a separate system for frozen food. The Fresh Flow air filter helps minimize odors, while the 2 produce preservers help delay over-ripening. It even features a specially designed storage space that creates the ideal environment for herbs. And with LED lighting throughout, your ingredients will be beautifully lit so you can see your next bright idea. Get the refrigerator that has a place for every ingredient, including inspiration. This is how KitchenAid keeps it fresh.
From the most awarded brand in the industry comes the new Kenmore Elite Refrigerator with 30 cubic feet of capacity and active finish, designed for family living. The convenient Simple Select dispenser with easy-to-use controls delivers clean, filtered refreshment. Choose cubed or crushed ice or water, all at the simple touch of a finger. The advanced NSF-certified water filter system reduces chlorine taste and odor, impurities like mercury, and over 99% of lead for cleaner, fresher water and ice. The top shelf is all yours with the slim indoor ice maker. It allows 100% use of the top shelf, plus extra storage in the door. Say goodbye to wilted produce with the Kenmore exclusive airtight crisper. Even after 7 days, lettuce is still crisp. A unique gasket and dimpled surface locks in moisture to keep veggies fresh. The full-width pantry drawer with digital temperature controls helps keep food fresh and at the perfect temperature. It features 3 precise digital temperature settings, one for produce, one for deli, and one for meat. The Clean Flow air filter system is 15 times more effective than baking soda at reducing odors. It circulates clean, filtered air to every section for great-tasting meats, fish, and produce. The Kenmore exclusive Tilt and Take freezer drawer provides convenient access to your favorite frozen foods. Its 3-tiered storage includes an extra deep bin and 2 pull-out drawers to make organizing your foods a breeze. Now you can enjoy the beauty of stainless steel without the fuss. Introducing Kenmore Active Finish. It resists smudges and fingerprints, so cleaning is quick and easy. Unlike stainless steel, a door with active finish even holds magnets for the family art gallery, and more. With its stylish good looks in your choice of white, stainless, bisque, active finish, or black, it will fit beautifully in any kitchen design. Kenmore, the most awarded brand in the industry.
Knock twice, see inside. The new LG multi-door InstaView.
Knock twice, see inside. The new LG multi-door InstaView.
Hi, Bixby. Cleaning mode.
Sure. Cleaning mode is on now.
That's a nice one.
Today will be the day I was made to dream that anything can be my own.
What is it? No. Tell me. You just have to wait.
Today